Hello everyone, this is just another short overview of an interesting action camera A20 by the company called LeadEdge. It's a 4K camera, um, so I'm just going to show you how you have to handle it. So it comes with encasing, and the box contains different, setup parts, which really helpful if you want to mount it on, on your clothing or anywhere you prefer to have it on. Um, I was puzzled as to how you open this the top, because instructions are not describing this, so I realized that it's pretty easy. You just have to, pull from here to the top. So I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna pause the video and show you how it's done. So I'm resuming the video. As you can see, it's opens this way. So once it's open, you can just easily get this out of the encasing, and from there you can either use it out of the casing or just keep it in the casing. It's totally up to you how you prefer doing that. I'm sorry about that. So I just want to show you quickly how you turn it on. So you have to press this button to turn it on. Just 3 seconds maybe. Yeah, now it's on. I already made the recording, so if you want to access the recording, you click on that button again, which is on the front. Go. Now it went to the photo mode. Now it's video mode, and if you want to watch the video, click on here on the top, and here's the video that I recorded. The video seems to be really nice. Well, overall I'm happy with the way it behaves. I've been just using it for a couple of hours so far. I have the micro SD installed here. Well, I'll be using it more often once the weather is better. Right now it's really cold in Ontario, so once the winter is over, I'm going to take it for full test, and maybe I will update my review. Overall, I'm satisfied and hope you liked the review. Thank you.